When it comes to fixing hail damage on your vehicle, there are so many different options, from DIY YouTube videos to the side of the road repair stands, but which is really going to save you money? Which is going to look the best, and ultimately, which will maintain the value of your vehicle? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how paintless dent repair works and why it is the most approved method of auto hail damage repair by insurance companies. Plus, I want to give you a $25 gift card just for letting us take a look at the insurance claim on your vehicle's hail damage, even if the damage is over a year old. Hey there, Andy here from American Dent Specialists. We are Houston's #1 rated paintless dent repair shop and winner of the 2022 Houston Chronicles Best of the Best award. When you think about getting your repairs done to your vehicle, it's easy to think about how expensive it's going to be and how long it's going to take. But at American Dent Specialists, that couldn't be further from the truth. In most cases, we are able to get your dents removed quickly and easily for you. And we will even handle all the work, from scheduling your rental car to handling the insurance company to dropping your vehicle off when the work is completed. And since hail damage is a no-fault claim, the only cost you need to budget for is your deductible. So what is paintless dent repair, and why are more and more people choosing paintless dent repair over other methods? The simple answer is, it is a higher quality repair, restoring your vehicle to its pre-damage condition without using paint or filler. With specialized tools and highly trained technicians, we are able to get behind the dent and gently massage the metal back to its original shape without affecting the surface of your vehicle or its factory finish. This way, we can retain the value of your vehicle because your original paint and finish are the most resilient and highest in quality, and we want to do everything we can to keep that intact. And paintless dent repair works on almost every vehicle, ranging from everyday sedans to trucks and SUVs and even high-end luxury cars. So how hard is it to get your vehicle fixed? Well, it starts off by scheduling an appointment with one of our technicians so you don't have to waste time waiting on us. Just click here to find a time on our calendar that works for you. Then bring your car by and give us 10 to 15 minutes to take a look at things. I'm so confident that paintless dent repair is the best option for repairing your vehicle's hail damage. I want to give you this $25 gift card just for letting us take a look at the insurance claim on your vehicle, even if you choose not to get it fixed. And if you want to get those dents repaired, we will handle all the work for you. We will communicate directly with the insurance company to provide them quotes and to get everything approved. We will schedule your rental car and do everything we can to make the process of making your vehicle beautiful again as easy as possible.
So put us to the test and find out why so many Houstonians have trusted us with their vehicle's repair like Cody. Other repair shops gave him the runaround and put him on a wait list. When he brought his car to us, we handled everything for him and gave it back to him looking like a brand new vehicle. Or Alistair, who put our work to the test and found out firsthand how above and beyond we are willing to go for our clients, which is rare in today's economy. Or any of our other well-earned 5-star reviews. So tap the button here, find a time on our calendar that works for your schedule, and let us show you how easy it can be to get your hail damage repaired.